Hello, everybody. My name is Frederic Goettmann. I'm one of the co-founders of Extracthive. As Boris did not use all his time, I think there is some problem with the new presentation. Anyway.
Slides. Just wait and start again.
Okay, thanks. So, yesterday brilliantly evidenced how you guys are going to make our lifestyle more sustainable with all your brilliant ideas. But unfortunately, only a few presentations evidenced that or mentioned that behind any smart ID there is hardware. And this hardware is made out of raw materials. And these raw materials very often come at a price. And this price can vary from just supply risk, like here for bismuth. Bismuth is used for wiring solar panels, but China controls more than 80% of the world bismuth supply. And which raises the question, why should Chinese companies provide our industry with the bismuth we need when they just can sell us solar panels? CO2 footprint is another issue. Just for the production of silicon for photovoltaics, just metallurgical silicon, not even the purest silicon for photovoltaics. The footprint in CO2 is 1.4 tons of CO2 per ton of metallurgical silicon. Even more environmental damages can be done by, in this case, illegal production of rare earths for windmills or electric vehicles. And even worse, in some cases, the production conditions for these technology metals are so ugly that none of us would like to be responsible for it. So now comes this paradox. How can we collectively pretend that we are developing clean technologies with dirty metals? One solution to this paradox is recycling. Recycling in order to make sure that these technology metals, once they reach the technospheres, won't leave it so soon and can be recycled to close the loop. And at Extracthive, we think that innovation is needed to design the suited processes to extract these metals and minerals from the devices they are on in order to be able to reuse them. Just one example, which Boris mentioned previously, together with Veolia, we are currently upscaling a process to recycle carbon fibers, which are used in windmills or in vehicles in order to lower their mass, actually. They substitute steel or aluminum, but their production is very energy intensive. Sorry. Their production is very energy intensive, 14 times more intensive than steel making. But steel recycles very easily, and carbon fibers do not. This is why we felt there is a need for a relatively cheap, low-energy process to recycle these fibers to make them available for the production of new composite materials. But having the right technology is not good enough. You need to operate it. And operating a new technology or a recycling technology is quite a hard task. And to do so, you need skilled people, you need industrial facilities, and you need environmental permits. And our goal at Extracthive is to become an integrated player in this field. So we do not only develop technologies, we also grow through external growth, acquiring industrial plants, which we adapt to our processes in order to make them suited for recycling of these high-tech materials. Through this strategy, we managed to grow to in just 3 years, to a 40% company with 2 industrial plants, an expected turnover this year of 3.9 million euros. And yeah, this is how we make things happen here. But now we want to grow faster, and to do so we need some money, because our current development, we almost 100% self-financed, and in order to go faster and to make our technology real for 2020, we need your money. Thanks.
Well done, Frederic.
Thanks.
How much are you raising? How much capital do you need?
5 million.
5 million.
3 million in equity.
Okay. It's sitting over there. In the break, you talk to them, okay?
I do this.
Okay.
Thanks.